Hey my beautiful angels, today I'm going to share with you a DIY Stila Magnificent eyeshadows. Yes, you heard it right. So these are the swatches which I'm showing you and we're going to prepare it. The first thing I'm going to take is MAC glitter. You can use any glitter, it is optional. The second thing I'm going to use is pigment. You can use even eyeshadows if you want to. Any pigment is fine. You don't necessarily need to have this pigment. And the third thing is inglot dura-line, which is a mixing medium. You can use any mixing medium from any brand. You can even use glycerine or aloe vera gel if you want to. So here we start. I'm just taking MAC glitters, sorry, MAC pigment, and I'm just adding it to my plate. And now I'll be adding some glitter. These glitters are a little bit bigger ones. If you get the smaller glitter, the particles which are smaller ones, definitely go ahead and buy those. I'm just trying to open this one. Yeah, and the quantity should be like if you're using pigment, the glitter should be half of the pigment, and mixing medium is the consistency you want, and that's it. And please don't use any other mixing medium or glitters or pigments that are not safe for your skin. Please don't use those. So I'm just mixing both pigment and the glitter. You can use any shade, any color you want. I mean, the desired color you like. I'm just using what I have. You can mix any eyeshadows, any glitter, any shade you want to create, you can create. So I'm just adding it a drop and then mixing it, and again I'll be adding more as I need it. So I think I used at least 4 drops of the dura-line, and that was fine. This is the consistency you'll be seeing. It will be something that is applicable, and yes, I do make it fresh each time I need it, because it does not serve the purpose of storing something for a longer time. So when I need it, I make it, because it's something that is easy to make and does not take a long time. So if you're having client or something, you can definitely make it at the same time, or just prepare and keep it a day ahead. You don't necessarily need to have a jar full of this thing. So I'm just mixing with the first drop of the inglot dura-line, and then I'm gonna mix it more when I need it. So this is how it is. And you can use glycerine if you want to. Please don't use any other thing that is not suitable for skin. Dura-line does dry up faster, so that's a plus point. If you don't have dura-line, you can try with aloe vera gel, but it will take some time to dry up. So wait and keep your eyes closed till the aloe vera gel dries up. So here we are swatching it with the spatula itself, and I'll show you with a brush as well. So you can see, you can adjust the consistency if you want to, but I'm loving how it turned out. And this color is like one of my most favorite colors. You can build up as you want to. You can even use your fingers or whatever you like. You can use fingers or brush or anything, that is absolutely fine. So here it is, the final. You can see how it has turned out. I hope you really like this video.